Hello and welcome students. Today we're going to do the second module of Microsoft Excel, and the title of this project is Bergamot Urgent Care Clinic, Formatting Workbook Text and Data. It is the Excel module 2, SAM project 1A, you can see. And if you want me to do this assignment for you or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, including the capstone projects, the textbook projects, or even the exam, you can text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. You just need to send me the files over there and I will do the rest. Okay, it's a very economical service. So you can see there are 23 steps, and at the end we have the screenshots of how the project will look like. Okay, so feel free to text me around the clock. I will be there to help you out. Moving to step number 1, that is Jennifer Williams is a business manager at Bergamot Urgent Care Clinic. Jennifer is adding formatting to the workbook she uses to track statistics on patients' visits to make it easier to read and use. Change the theme of the workbook to Office. So this is the what you can say, the start file that we are having. And if whenever you're asked to change the theme to workbook, you need to go to the page layout, go to the theme sections, and here you will need to select Office. So now the theme of the workbook has been changed successfully. Moving to step number 2, that is switch to the widgets worksheet and then format the headings. Okay, this is the widgets worksheet and these are probably the headings, so we are going to change it accordingly. Merge and center the range A1 through H1. So first of all, you need to select the range from A1 through H1, and after that you are going to go to the Home tab, and here you need to click merge and center. That's it. Step number 3, apply the heading 1 cell styles A1 to H1. Since it is already selected, so we just need to apply the style of the heading. So for this we need to go to the Home tab, and in the styles group you will find cell styles, and here you need to click that heading 1. Moving to step number 4, merge and center the range A2 to H2. So we are going to select the range A2 up to H2 and merge and center it. And next, the Jennifer needs to format the report dates. Change the background color of the range A4 to B5. So first of all, we need to select the range A4 to B5. This is the range that we're going to change the background of it. And the background of it should be gray accent 3 lighter 80. Here is the background option. Gray accent 3 and lighter 80. This is the one. So we are done with step number 5. Moving to step number 6, that is format the range A4 to A5 as bold. So I have just selected A4 to A5 and click the bold. That's it. Moving to step number 7, format the range B4 to B5. Use a date formatter with 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 2-digit year. MDY should be the sequence of this. So select it. Go to the number group. Here you can see in the Home tab. And this should be the one. This is the month, day, and the year. Moving to step number 8, that is she also wants to format the table heading. Format the range A7 to H8 as italic. A7 to H8, this should be italic. These are very basic steps. So anyhow, if you are finding it difficult or if you do not have the time, you can just save my number and text me whenever you need any sort of help with those assignment exams or the textbook projects. Apply horizontal centering to the content of each cell in the range A7 to H8. A7 to H8, this is the range, and they want us to apply horizontal centering, which is this one. Okay, that's it. Step number 10 is change the background color of the range A7 to H7. Okay, A7 to H7. The background should be orange accent to lighter 60. Yeah, orange accent to lighter 60. Change the background color of the range B8 to D8 and F8 to H8. B8 to D8, and also press the Control key while selecting the non-adjacent cells. And this time the background color should be orange accent to lighter 40, a bit lighter than the previous one. Sorry, darker one. Now moving to step number 12, that is merge and center the range AA7 to A8, and then center the content of the merge center vertically. A7 to A8, merge and center the content vertically from here. Okay, merge and center the range E7 to E8, and then center the content. Again the same process with this one, merge and center, and after that vertically centralizing it. Next is merge and center the range B7 to D7, and then merge and center F7 to H7. So first of all is B7 to D7. This is B7 to D7, merge and center, and again F7 to H7, merge and center. So I think that's it for this video. If you want me to do the next part, do text me on the WhatsApp. I will record a part for you and send it to you. And if you want me to do these assignments from the scratch, you can just text me on the WhatsApp. You can share your files over the email, and I will complete those files and send it back to you. Then you can just submit it and get it graded. So it's a very economical service in terms of price. Do text me. Do let me know if you need any sort of help. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.